Hi, I'm Andreas Gale, and I'm here to share with you about how to do mockups in Adobe Illustrator. The first thing we need to do is launch Adobe Illustrator on your computer, Mac, or Chromebook. The next thing we need to do is to create a new document by going to File, New. Set up the document dimensions according to your requirements. The next thing we need to do is to import logos. You can import an existing logo into Illustrator by going to File, Place. The next thing we need to do is to prepare mockup background. Create a background for your logo mockup. This could be a solid color gradient or even a texture background. Use the rectangle tool to create a shape that covers the entire artboard. The next thing we need to do is add effects, and this is optional. You can add effects like shadow or textures to your background to make it more visually appealing. The next thing we need to do is place logos. Choose File, Place, and select an image to add to the artboard. Then you can use the artboard to adjust the size of the artboard to fit the image. Import or drag your logo onto the artboard, position and resize it as needed. The next thing we need to do is apply mockup effects. This is optional too. To make the logo look like it's applied to a surface or object, you can use various effects. Here are some common ones. 3D extrude and bevel. Select the logo, then go to Effect 3D extrude and bevel. Adjust the settings to create a three-dimensional effect. Distort and transform. Experiment with effects like warp or zigzag under effect. Distort and transform to give your logo a distort or dynamic look. Gradient overlay. Apply a gradient overlay to your logo to simulate lighting effects or depth. Use the gradient panel to create and adjust gradients. Blend mode. Experiment with different blend modes in the transparency panel to blend your logo with the background or elements. The next thing we need to do is add text, and this is optional. If her logo includes text, you can use the text height tool to add or edit the text directly onto the artboard. The next thing we need to do is final touches. Make any final adjustments to the positioning, size, or effects of your logo and background to achieve the desired mockup. And the next thing we need to do is save or export. Once you're satisfied with your logos or mockups, save your work in Illustrator format for future editing, or export it in a suitable format for sharing or presentation purposes. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I'll see you again and soon. And come anytime and watch it.